So students, in this practical we will see how this photo became this one. Okay, so we will do. Okay students, so today we will learn how to change the background of a photo with Photoshop. Okay, so this is the easiest practical of Photoshop. So here we will learn the use of some of the tools. Okay, so first you open Photoshop and you will see that towards your left hand side
first of
so
all,
many tools
I'll
are
take
there.
out the picture I will edit. Okay, so for here, to take out the picture, you simply have to click on the file. Can you see the file? So that is actually the menu bar, which are having some text like file, edit, image, layer, etc. So from the menu bar you have to click on file and then click on open. Once you will click on open, you will get the browser window, means the window to browse, from where you can find the picture you want to edit. My picture is this one.
Now we will select the pen tool. Okay, now we have to actually select and crop out the background. Fine, so here we will select the pen tool. Okay, also on the top you will see that there a pen will be there and all its settings are coming. Make sure it is path in the drop down box. Then we need to click and select the border of the baby here. Okay, the border of the baby, the hand and leg properly, so that only the baby is left out and the background removes. Okay, just go on clicking. Okay, just go on clicking on the border of the baby and do it very slowly. Have patience. It will just upon you how patiently you can do this. If you can do it nicely, your cutout will be very good. Okay, so see, it's easy and almost more than half completed. In the same way we will do for the whole baby. After this we will right click on the baby and then there is a option called make selection. Okay, then click on OK and you will see that the baby is selected, the figure is selected because it is blinking. Okay students, now we need to cut it. So for cutting, what we will do, we will go down here and you will find there a camera option. Just click on that and you can see that the background has been removed. Okay, the background has been removed. Now students, one thing you need to know, that there are two layers in a picture: front layer, back layer. In the front layer, the figure, the man or the people will be there, and at the back layer the background will be there. Okay, so now we have only one layer here, that is the baby. We need another layer for the background. Okay, so we have to create one more layer here. We will create a duplicate layer here. Okay student, understood? So for that, simply we have to right click on this gray area as shown and click on duplicate layer. Click on OK and another layer appeared. Okay, now there are two layers. One is font layer, another is background layer. Now let us open a background. You can download any background from Google. You can type in the Google as picture background and you can get any background. I have downloaded one background and I am searching that background here and I am opening it. Okay, this is the background. Now here you need to first select it. Okay, so you can select it by Ctrl A or you can also use the selection tool that is present towards your left hand side. Then do copy, Control plus C, or you can also get the copy option in edit. Now delete, just close that and come to the previous picture, and in towards your left hand side click on down layer, okay, and then paste it. You can do Control plus V, or also you can get the option as edit and paste. Now here student, you can see the picture is here, but the picture is very small, the background is very small. We need to make it bigger. So what we can do, we can use a shortcut key, that is Control plus T, okay, Control plus T. Then you will see that your background will be movable or adjustable, okay. You can adjust it by dragging. You can also get an option in edit. Click on edit and you will get free transmission. After that also same thing happens. Control plus T is a shortcut for transmission, that is free transmission. So this is how students, you can see the baby now background has been changed, and it has changed into a very beautiful background. This is the way how you can change the background. I have just shown you with a simple picture and a simple background. You can choose any picture. You can take your picture and try downloading another very nice background and try to do this, okay. So now you can save it by going to file and save as, and try to save the file in the extension .jpg, okay. So this is what all about changing background. So students, try it.